Hey everyone, in this video we're going to look at the following word problem. It says that triangle ABC has a base that is twice the length of the height. If this triangle has an area of 100 centimeters squared, what is the length of the base? When I have a problem like this, the first thing I do is I sketch out my situation. I begin by sketching out a quick triangle. So we were given a few pieces of information. We know that the base is twice the length of the height. So if the height goes from the highest point down to the base, we would call this h. Well, the base is twice as long as the height. So this base is 2 times h. All right, so I've labeled my triangle ABC. Now I can go and deal with the area formula. So since I was given the area of the triangle, we know that we're going to use this area formula. So that's area equals 1/2 base times height. So in this problem, I know that the area is 100, so I plug 100 into the left side for the area, equals, I'm going to bring down 1/2, then I plug in my base, which we said the base is twice as big as the height. So instead of the base, I'm going to plug in 2h, and we kept my height as just h. As you can see in the second step, I only have one variable, it's h. So I'm going to be able to solve for h. So let's work from left to right. So I'm not going to do anything with the 100 yet. Let's bring it down. Equals, so 1/2 times 2 is 1, so essentially it cancels out and we have h times h, which is h squared. And then my final step, to get h completely by itself, I have to do the opposite of squaring something, which is to take the square root. So I have to take the square root of both sides. So then I get that h equals, and the square root of 100 is 10, and more specifically, it's positive or negative 10. But in the context of this problem, it doesn't make sense to have a negative height. So 10 is the only number that makes sense in the context. So the height of my triangle is 10 centimeters. Well, finally, to finish this problem up, remember the question said, find the length of the base. Well, we know that the base is 2 times bigger than the height. So since my height was 10, 2 times 10 gives me a base of 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters will be the length of my base, my final answer. Hey everyone, I hope this practice problem was beneficial. If you enjoyed it, check out the video description. There's a link to some more practice problems. I'll also link to any videos that might be useful. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.